Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the first half of the month of July 2023. July 5, 2023. Investiture Ceremony. The commencement of the Student Council for the academic year 23-24 took place in an investiture ceremony held on July 5, 2023. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the College, welcomed the gathering. The Principal of the College, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, and the special invitee, Sister Nirmala, former headmasters of Holy Cross Anglo-Indian School, Tuticorin, felicitated the student leaders. The chief guest, Dr. S. Vijayadharani, Advocate Supreme Court, Congress Legislative Whip, and member of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, appreciated the college for encouraging student leadership and urged more women to don the mantle of political leadership and become a constructive force to reckon with. The office bearers of the Student Council were honored by the dignitaries with a sash, a badge, and a crown each, and they took the oath of office. The event was coordinated by the student deans, Dr. Mabel Idel Queen and Dr. Leslie Fatima. July 7 and 8, 2023. Two-day International Conference on Innovative Trends in Multidisciplinary Research. A two-day International Conference on Innovative Trends in Multidisciplinary Research was organized by the Crossian Research Forum of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil in collaboration with the Research and Development Cell of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, Chungangadai, Nagercoil. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of Holy Cross College, and Dr. Jayashri, the Principal of Sri Ayyappa College for Women, offered their felicitations. Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the Principal of Holy Cross College, delivered the inaugural address, and the keynote speaker, Dr. Satyanarayana Parayidam, Professor, Department of Management and Marketing, Charlton College of Business, University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, USA, delivered the keynote address. The proceedings of the conference were released at the close of the inaugural session. The resource persons of the online and offline technical sessions through the two-day conference, Dr. E. Babraj, Professor, Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Ethiopia, East Africa, Dr. J. K. Vijay Kumar, Director of Library Sciences, American University of Antigua, Dr. Suresh Kumar, Head of the Department IT Division, Kerala University Library, and Dr. Satyanarayana Parayidam, Professor, Charlton College of Business, USA, enlightened the participants on systematic analysis and publishing process in research, systematic literature review and evidence-based research process, research ethics and academic integrity and research design, samplings and multidisciplinary approaches. Research scholars and teaching staff from several colleges presented their papers at the conference and received the certificates in the valedictory session. Dr. Sister Lima Rose delivered the valedictory address. Dr. Annie Ferrell and Dr. Punita of the Crossian Research Forum, Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, and Dr. Meera, the convener of Research and Development Cell at Sri Ayyappa College for Women, together coordinated the conference with the help of the conveners and organizing Holy Spirit Mass. The Mass of the Holy Spirit for the academic year 23-24 was officiated by the celebrant, Reverend Father Sam Matthew, at the multipurpose hall of the college. The grace and guidance of Holy Spirit on all who teach, learn and work in the college were sought, and holy water was sprinkled at the departments, research labs, library and several other locations on the campus. All the preparations and arrangements for the Mass were coordinated by Dr. Sister Sebastian Mull and members of the campus animation team. July 10 to 12, 2023. A three-day international workshop and publication of papers in Scopus Index journals. The Department of Commerce organized a three-day international workshop on publication of papers in Scopus Index journals. The workshop began with a felicitation by Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the Principal of the college. The resource person, Dr. Satyanarayana Parayidam, Professor, Department of Management and Marketing, Charlton College of Business, University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, USA, provided conceptual clarity and practical insights and shared his experience and erudition in the area of academic publishing. Several members of the teaching staff, research scholars, and students benefited from the workshop. July 12, 2023. National Fashion Day Celebration. On July 12, 2023, the students of the Department of Costume Design and Fashion, dressed in traditional attire, representative of several states of India, came together to celebrate the cultural and ethnic diversity of the country. July 13, 2023, essay writing competition on Kamaraj, the architect of education. As a mark of reverence to the great leader Kamaraj on his birth anniversary, the Department of Tamil SF organized an essay writing competition on Kamaraj, the architect of education. Around 40 students participated in the competition, which was coordinated by Dr. Daisy Bai and Dr. Jasmine Vinoja. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.